Okay, we are here at 4 Marks Bowls Club. We're doing the green, bent fescue. We need to get the iron out. As you can see from the drone shots, there's a hell of a lot of moss in here. We are in trouble. Green is pretty bad. So I've got 1,200 square metres, so I've got 5 grams a square metre, so I've got 6 kilo of iron going down. Pain to mix it all. Hot water is your friend. Boiling water if you've got it. So yeah, we're going to show you how we spray this with this pedestrian sprayer. We're on the brown nozzles, which is the heaviest one. I'm going to do the ends and then I'm going to go up and down this way. So yeah, we have lift off on the Bowls Club. So working for nothing, doing this to help the community and to help the ladies speed up this green. So let's see what we can do. We get the drone in the air and you can see from above, as they say, and you'll see it blackening off pretty quick, hopefully, right? Because we need to get this done. Very busy, and we've got a lot of soil coming here to top dress this and put some seeds down, bent fescue from Boston Seeds. So yeah, let's get on, let's get a drone in the air and have a look from above. We need to get on, it's getting late in the day, let's go. Okay, it's the start of a long walk, and on the video here I can see that the nozzles are pointing back. I need to adjust them. The bar must have been tweaked a little bit, so I need to get on with that. Let's have a look from above. So I'm going to start by doing all 4 edges of the bowling green, and I'm going to do those 2 lines on the ends, and I know I've done them, so that makes it easier for the turn with the boom sprayer, so I don't know that I don't miss any of the green. So I'll use the edge of the boom to line up with the next line, so gentle turns. And you can see there that the boom sprayer is still pointing backwards. That's a problem. On this run I'm coming to the end of the tank, so I need to place a marker, which I'll do on the wall there in the next line, so I know exactly where to go back to, and I'll push from that line onwards. Okay, so that's the rest of the 3 kilos in there. I've done half of it. I'll go back to my marker and get the other half done. It's so mossy actually, I might even come back another day and just give it a light flick. I'll see how this goes. It is getting it, but it's really bad and it's quite uneven. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So I'm back to my marker, so I know I'm on the right line, and away we go. And you can see it is darkening off a little bit. It takes a couple of hours, but yeah, it's looking good. 6 kilos going out, 5 grams per square metre. So yeah, quite happy with the result so far. And some areas do have thick moss. Unfortunately it wasn't dealt with in autumn. I was called in too late. So you see me there, running over some areas, finishing off a tank where the moss is really thick. I believe this is what they would call the greenkeeper's walk. I'm inspecting how the moss is doing in those areas, and it's looking to tan off quite nicely, so that control the spores, ready for a power rake. So yeah, looking good, that one. Right, so that's all the iron out, 6 kilograms. Might come back with a knapsack sprayer because there's some really dense, thick moss in areas. You'll probably see on the video where I went back over them with the pedestrian sprayer. So yeah, that's tanning off now. That is gonna dry the moss out, right, and you know, fix those spores a little bit for me. And then we need to get a power rake on next weekend, lift this moss out. I won't be scarifying, I'll be scarifying right at the last minute, just to put some gentle grooves in, ready for the seed and the top dressing, and it's got to be fleeced. So yeah, so I'll put that in a playlist so you can follow this actual 4 Marks Bowls Club, the bent fescue green, and you can follow it there. So it'll be in a playlist. When we come back, we'll have a team of helpers. We'll have the greenkeepers here helping, and they've agreed that they don't mind being on film, so that's good, because we are doing this for nothing, and the soil is being sponsored as well. Yeah, so fingers crossed, putting back into the community, and that's a good thing to do. And if you want to follow a bent fescue lawn, what better than a bowls green, right? What better than a bowls green? Can't get better than that. So I hope you enjoyed that from above with the drone. A little bit of a different shot. And we'll see you very, very soon. Oh, and we also got the world's mossiest lawn. The customer did like the quote, albeit it is quite expensive, but I'll show you how you get thick moss out using my method. Might not be right. Everybody's got their own methods, and there are no rules, but this way is the best way. I've done it so many times and it never fails. So yeah, click like and subscribe, give it a share, give it a hype, that silly new hype button we've got on YouTube. Get us out there to the masses, to the fellow lawn nerds, right? We're all lawn nerds, and spring is coming, yeah? So we'll see you soon. I'm gonna pack up now. I might treat myself to a pint over in the pavilion there. Take care, see you soon, guys.